welcome back to another video, guys. So guys, today I am going to Aldi, just running up there, a quick shopping. I'm running out of chicken, so I just need some chicken. So guys, we are taking you along. Here is Tony putting on his shades, and we are gonna go now. So see you when we are at Aldi. So guys, it's a nice and sunny day, and we are taking the back road into Murray Bridge. So guys, big up and bless up yourself, and thank you all for your tremendous support on both channels. So guys, I am going to cut this video until we get closer to Murray Bridge, because it's just we have some farmland on the side here with horses, and an airplane strip is over there. So we are almost in Murray Bridge. We're on the road where Aldi is located. So here we are at Aldi. I'm gonna look to see if they have anything new. Around the side they have a whole heap of park.
Do I?
Yeah. Go around back and go around on the other side. So guys, my hands are full today. I am going to go in and do the video, and then I need a bag of chicken. So that is all I need for today. Just a bag of chicken. So here at the front we have some flowers. And we have some oranges, and these are the grapes that I used to make the juice. Okay. Let's go in the middle section. We're gonna look if there's anything around here that's... I had to block camera a while ago, guys. Let's see what they have here. It's a nice bucket. They have good quality towels here. This is a nice backrest cushion. let's go on this side. Oh, they have paint here, guys. Outdoor paint. Plants, chili, eggplant, lettuce, nice blankets, guys, for $40. Let's go around to the next section. And it is so cold in here today. Let's see what they have here. They have some nice outdoor cushion, guys. Looking nice. I like the fabric.
Register 3, please.
Oh, this is an ottoman, guys. This is nice. That's the price. Wow. Look at these clocks. This is pretty. And the price is cheap. Oh my goodness. I need to have a real look at this. The garden metal clock. Nice quilt. Nice rug. Wow. They look good. I like the color. It's pretty. Let's go in the middle over here. Oh, this side have more things, guys. Let me come over here. Citrus sink set. Wow, it's a nice kitchen mixer top. This is cute. Have some shower heads, guys. Hope you all can hear me loud and clear. This is a nice shampoo. And they have some nice cutting board here. These are made out of plastic. Anyway, nice. Hello, where you from? Nigerian lady. And you had a good little talk. And guys, here we have some mixing bowls here. And these are really nice to use. Let me see the price. It's $30, guys. And you have different, and they are sturdy. Bathroom shelf here. What is that? I don't even see that. The price of that here. But anyway, let's look over this side before I go and pick up my chicken, because I already do my shopping. And guys, last week I bought one of these baskets. I bought the strawberry one, and they have, this is the pineapple, the melon baskets. This is nice. And you have one that's shaped like the carrot, and it's $12 for one. And here you have the avocado, which is pretty. And guys, let's look what, oh, this is a kettle. Looks good. Beautiful. Napkin rings. All salt. I don't even see the price for those. So guys, I am going to end this video, take out my chicken, and then wow, it's full up here. It's so full. I might have to do a little bit of walk around before I come out here, because the cash up there is very, very, very full.
Register full, please.
Nice water bottles. And we have toasters here. Oh wow, $50. So let's venture around and pick up my bag of chicken, and then I'm gonna go to the cashier and I will be out of here, guys. Oh, something catches my eyes. Oh, this is nice. Really nice.
Register full, please.
Oh, and they're really affordable. This is what I needed. Some baby potatoes to bake in the oven. So now we are heading out. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Bye. This is it. Hello.
I just get the door and I'll just plug my bag into it.
Yeah. So guys, we are out of Aldi. Tony came in and pack the things in the bag. So guys, see you in the next video. I just said that, but have a lovely weekend, and it is nice and warm today. So bye guys, see you.